Alright, so here is the final fan. I really want to show you the one in the bathroom, but it just has lots of bugs in it. So I'm just going to skip it. But here is this is the Comfort Zone Blizzard. It's just like the Honeywell Blizzard, except it has a different brand. And it's a little bit bigger. So let's get started. Here's high. It blows a ton of air on high. Here's medium, a lot slower. And low. Yeah, all of these were found in an estate sale. I don't know how much these costed, but they're cheaper than the big fan. This whole RV is like over $100. It's a very big one, as you can see. It goes all the way, look, let me show you. All the way down there. It's all the way down here. And there's me, Ray, and Amber in the whole screen mirror. So there is that fan. I hope you enjoyed. That will be all of my fans in this. I really wanted to show the stand-up fan, but the stand-up fan's broken. And the one in the bathroom doesn't work. Well, it works. It just has lots of bugs in it and needs to be cleaned out.